Afternoon. What's happening? SLB Racha? How are you today? How are you? Hope everyone's doing well. Hope everyone's doing well. Right, what we got going on today? So we had a London session range today. In fact, we have 2 lots of news today, which I should put in the title really. Let's do that. So we have core PCE price index and we have final GDP. Change that real quick. Let's just call it. Did I put Wednesday? Is it Wednesday? It's definitely Thursday. Damn. Title's all off. Save that. Let's make that right. Alright, there we go. Sorted. Cool. Alright. Perfect. So 2 lots of news. We've got news in 30 minutes. Now I do want to see some more gold sells, but I want gold to pull back first before it continues to sell. I want a little drop first before it continues. So I'll pull back to maybe 4,007, like pull back towards like maybe the daily flip or this resistance like 412, 4012 or 4016. So like somewhere up here. Just a pullback and then some more sells down. Because it looks like this support area is holding. But I think gold continues bearish. And then we drop. So that's what I'm looking for. Just a bit of a retracement. And then I would get in. So, I mean, maybe this lower resistance. Because we've been creating these lower highs. But we haven't really made any lower lows. So, I just want to see if we pull back a bit and then drop some more. That's the plan for today. All right, just looking at Nas. Nas had a nice push up today. Structure wise, Nas still looks quite bullish. You know, we held at this 4-hour support that I was looking at from Tuesday, this area that held. Closed below, closed back in the range. So I do like Nas buys today. Nas can keep buying. I want to see some Nas buys. Big push last night at 9 o'clock. What happened at 9 o'clock? Didn't have the same impact on gold. Did have a bit of a push. What happened yesterday? Does anyone know what happened yesterday? On ships, it's unacceptable and dangerous to transit the Strait of Hormuz without their approval. Did the Trump White House just give Walsh the green light to hike interest rates? Oh shit. That's no good. Now they're talking about increasing rates. Rosie, what's up? What's up, girl? Afternoon, afternoon. Increasing rates? Increasing rates is very bearish for gold. Very bearish. Departure decision is possible if no quota increase. Okay. I just hope we don't range all day. I don't think we do. I don't think we do, but sometimes you never know. Sometimes you never know. Benny, what's good? Back to range in London session. Ain't that right? Ain't that right? Back to consolidation. Back to sideways action. But I do believe it's because we have news today. That's why we're going sideways. So I don't think we stay sideways forever. We might just be waiting on the news to come out and we play that. I would, like I said, I would like the buyers up first and then a drop. Or at least, yeah, a push up and then a retest of an old resistance and then sells. Maybe just buys if this support holds. That's another factor. That's another possibility. If the support holds, then yeah, maybe we buy up some more. Right now, we just wait. It's a little waiting game we have to play. Yo, what's happening, Pizzle? You good? You good? Well, go on. Just waiting on the markets, you know? Just chilling right now. Want a little pullback for some before some more sells, but yeah, gold is looking super bearish. Man, listen. I'm just here drinking cold water before it gets warm. But it's not staying cold for long. Sun is mad. Sun is mad. But you know, I can't complain. Because when it's cold, I don't like it. Prefer the heat. You know, just not when I'm cooking. Yeah, man, the sun's mad. The heat is mad. Alright, look at some pound yen. GJ. Yeah, just sideways on GJ. Yeah, not feeling pound yen. Ooh, look at this. So this area I was talking about yesterday on USD, about if it holds and we pull back from here, we could see some gold sells. This is actually looking good for gold buyers, you know, or at least a bit of a retracement. It's not looking bad. Okay, it's interesting. Yeah, I'm feeling a bit of a retracement as well, you know. Also, show you guys. Look, the daily didn't break yesterday's low. 4 hour hasn't broken the low. We could get a nice flip and a push up if we hold. Lots of 4 hour rejections. I like it. Strong R support here holding. So maybe a little wick down first, like wick down for the news, and then we pop back up. Cool. Okay. That's an idea. An idea. Let's do, keep that 4 hour there. Yeah. What's happening, Moen? You good? Good, you good? Just waiting on the markets to wake up. Taking this time. But news in 17 minutes. Now hopefully we get something. I'm very good, you know? Blessed. See what happened the last time this news came out, in fact. Full PCE price index. May 28th, 130. Same news came out then, prelim GDP. That was final GDP. May 28th. 30. Oh wait, what are the numbers? Did they come out good numbers or bad numbers? There's news today. Yeah, 2 lots of news today. 2 lots. And it was bad numbers. Okay, May 28th. Alright, let's see. Oh, look at that. So the numbers were bad and we had gold push up. Alright, so that's a plan. We got bad numbers. Yeah, so bad numbers, we might see gold push up. Good numbers, we may see gold drop a bit more. Alright, that's a plan. That's a plan right there. Suspected yen intervention? What? What are you talking about? When was that? 1250? Just a random statement right there. Alright, so yeah, now we just wait. Support is holding real nice. Do you trade indices? Just NAS. Just NAS. NAS, I think NAS might push up today. It's looking nice and bullish. Creating a nice support here. On the daily, broke yesterday's high. Nice 4-hour bullish structure. Do you trade indices? What do you trade? US 30, German 40, S&P, some NAS. I only like NAS, to be honest. NAS, like, US 30 is a bit too... I don't like how much it swings. I think NAS is just a bit more smooth, a bit slower. Yeah. S&P is a bit too slow. NAS is like the perfect medium. German 40, yeah. I know a lot of people that trade German 40. I've never really looked into it. Really checked it out. Gold buys up from here. This 4-hour flips bullish. Just respecting this little 4-hour support here too. Let's see if this support holds and we flip back above 3987, 3988, and then we push up, see if we can get some buyers. Alright, still got 30 minutes to go. What's this low? 3971. I've got 8 minutes. Kind of looks like a continuation pattern on M30. Yeah, it does. It does. And it's with the trend. Only thing is, I don't like selling into a support. And this is quite a strong support level. This is quite a strong support level. You know, look how much times it's been retested. We haven't closed below. So either it finally breaks and it drives through, or it holds and then we get that bounce up. So that's what I'm waiting on. Ali, what's up, Ali? You good? You good? You good? What's good? What's good? How did your trades go yesterday? Alright, this news hopefully gives us some direction and we can catch a nice trade. I do want NAS buyers too. If NAS buyers, gold definitely buys. What's DXY doing? So can you take a look at the Euro USD futures 1 minute chart? I'm not gonna do that because I don't trade Euro USD futures. But if you would like me to look at your chart and your analysis, then you can send, you see this? If you're on a PC, you can send this little bit at the end of your chart in the chat and then I'll look at it for you. I have no problem doing that. Alright, news in 3. It looks like a QR code. I mean, yeah, 1 minute will look like a QR code. I don't trade the 1 minute time frame. It's just too fast for me. You're still holding your trade of yesterday, gold and US 30. Wow. Well, what about your other trades? You in quite a few trades. Did you close them out? Or how did they go? I see Nas pushed up yesterday, randomly. But yeah, gold is still looking bearish. Only thing with gold is I think Ash mentioned yesterday some divergence on the daily, which would be bullish. And I just want this support to break if gold's going to continue down. Also, these wicks on the 4 hours are a bit concerning. Just analyze them but not trade. Okay. All right, I'm gonna look at your chart, but I'm just gonna wait until after this news because I want to see what gold does first. Come on, Goldie. So we're pushing up a bit, pushing up. All right, so we're pushing up into these levels. So we broke one. I want to see if it gets up to up here. But look, 4 hour flipped bullish. Might be holding at this support. Big push up, big push up, big push up. So I was looking at a retest of these levels. Perfect, man. Tap right into that zone. See if it rejects and continues down now. Man, that was spot on. Alright, how did the news actually come out? So good numbers, very good numbers. Oh, unemployment claims today as well, but very good numbers for GDP. And as expected for PCE price index. So that should be bullish for USD. Wow, USD came down though. But gold had a good push. And now it's dropping back. Nice, 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 nice. Wow, okay. See if this 4 hour can flip now and come back down. What do you reckon, guys? Gold's gonna sell back down? Oh, Ali, let me look at your chart. Buy or sell? I think it's a sell. I did want a retracement literally to one of these areas, so it pushed past this one and then tapped into my second zone, and now we're pulling back. So yeah, it's kind of where I actually wanted to get sells, but I don't have a setup yet, so I want to see how this candle closes. But I did anticipate a reaction to one of these levels for the news, which it's done. I just need to see how this 4-hour candle closes now in the next 25 minutes. That's it. So I'm waiting on. Let me look at your chart. Let's go to trading view right here. You sent a GBP USD chart. You need to save it. There's no analysis or anything on there on the chart, Ali. To hit that save button again. But man, jeez, I can't believe this reaction right here, man. I cannot believe it. What a move. Yeah, you don't need to send it again. You just need to save it. Save your chart. Okay, there we go. Oh, shoot. What have I done? So this is where you got in at the 50. EMA 50. I mean, fib. 50 fib. Nice, nice, nice. Also looks like that 38.2 is holding. Perfect. What price is this? So we nearly came up to the 38.2. Damn, gold pushed right back up though, didn't it? For that nice little drop. If the daily stays bearish, I think we get some good sells. Another thing why I was thinking maybe buys and a push up is because the daily came very close to yesterday's low but held. It didn't break yesterday's low. But I've got to wait for this 4-hour to close. I need to see how this 4-hour closes at least, because we do have a little 4-hour resistance here as well. I'm just going to keep my eye on it. Keep my eye on Goldie. But I can see buys and sells, to be honest. I can see buys and sells. Like buys if this 4-hour holds and we close above this resistance to push up, but sells if, you know, daily stays bearish and we respect Asian highs, then yeah, I can see sells too. Come on, gold, what we doing? What we doing? What's up, Ash? You good? You good? You good? Right now, we're just watching Goldie swing up and down after this news. Tapped right into this zone I was looking at. And now it's dropping, which is good. But I don't have an entry just yet. This 4-hour time frame is just looking very rangy. Very rangy, consolidating. Getting over a little stomach situation due to some food. No trades for today. Damn. Hope you feel better, girl. Hope you feel better and soon. That is never nice. That is never nice to go through. Look at this 4-hour, man. So the 4-hour broke the previous high, not the low. We've tapped into this resistance, rejected. I really don't want to stay in this range. I really want to get out of this range here. But these wicks down here aren't promising. They're not promising. Let me see what the other one looks like. This isn't giving me much more information either, to be honest. Very wicky, man. Very, very, very wicky. Everything is just wicky. And we're back up here. So the news was pretty good. All round, very good numbers for everything today. Love some green numbers. But look, DXY is very bearish. That mean gold is gonna push up? Now remember I was saying this area, if this area holds, we could see gold push up respecting this support and this 4-hour support. And obviously the 4 hours flip bullish too. But I wouldn't want to see any buys unless, I don't even know where I want to see buys, honestly. Buys would have been better from lower, I think. Maybe if this 4-hour closed above the resistance, maybe. But then the next 4-hour would have to break the high. If it doesn't, if it respects the high, then I think we get sells back down. Yeah. So yeah, it's a waiting game now. Very jerky candles. Nas doing nice, had a nice push up. That's why it's still dumping. Oof. Ooh. Ideas why it's dropping like this. Right from this zone. Karen, what's up, Karen? How are you today? You good? What are you looking at today? Sky, morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning. Hope everyone's doing good. Waiting for this 30-minute candle to close, this news candle to close, news candle and this 4-hour candle. See if gold can give us some direction. Oh yeah, what was your trade today? What was your trade today? Gold? Was it buys? Was it sells? What was it? Alright, back at the daily flip. Is it gonna hold? Daily flip can be used as a nice retest level as well. Are we pushing? This is really jerking up and down. Oh, you haven't had a trade today. Okay. Oh, well, may you get one in this NY session. May you get a trade during this NY session. This support here has really been holding this morning. It's actually kind of making higher lows on the 1 hour. I'm not doing anything just yet. Until I get more information. So I want to see how this 4-hour closes. If it closes above, I want to see the next 4-hour candle maybe retest the broken resistance, break the high, then I'll probably look for some buyers. If it closes below, I want to see the next 4-hour candle not break this 4-hour high and then sell back into the range. So I can't say, yeah, I'm buying and selling because I have ideas for both. I just need to wait and see what the market does. At the moment, it looks like this 4-hour support is really holding. And look, 4-hour respected that low, broke the high. So yeah, the buyers kind of look better at the moment. Damn, price is really pushing. All right, let's see if it breaks Asian highs. Oh, Well, we tapped Asian highs. Are we gonna clear it now? Are we gone? Are we gone? Tapped into Asian highs. Push. What a push. That's why it's still coming down. But this area I had here was like a retest area. I want to see what gold does when it came here, if it held or if we kept on going. So initially we actually tapped right into it and then dropped, like had a really decent pullback, and now it's coming back into this zone. So yeah, those are my ideas. Just gotta wait for candles to close. Just wait for those candles to close. Closure above 4007 would be good, but then I also need the next 4 hour to break that high, to break the high of this current 4 hour candle. If it doesn't, I don't know, we may sell back down into the range. That's my thinking anyway. I saw when price was near those daily lows, I was tempted to snatch an entry, but I thought price would break. Yeah, I mean, gold is, it did come very low to yesterday's low. Very low. Very close. Didn't have much of a top wick as well. So we've made a bit of a longer top wicks. Well, have we? Kind of equal highs, actually. This is price rejecting that weekly area too. Okay, okay. Okay. And we have all of these 4 hour bottom wicks down here too. Very wicky. Just all over, all around, just wicky. Pushing. Pushing. Are we gonna clear it? Are we gonna break this area? Struggling at these Asian highs, boy. Struggling. Struggling. It's too wicky after the sell yesterday. I'm not too pressed to get a trade today or tomorrow. Yeah. Yeah, I had a nice trading day yesterday, to be fair. But still, if the market wants to give me something, I'm gonna take it. You know how that goes. Yeah, Wednesday was nice. It was. Alright, gold pushing back up. I mean, DXY pushing back up a bit. Markets, wake up, wake up. Looking for some sells. Okay. I think you're not the only one looking for some sells. What's his name is in some sells too. Ali is currently in some sells. Nice entry earlier on today. I need my conditions to be met before I do anything. They're not met yet, so see what Goldie does. Really just playing in this area. Playing. Longer daily top wick, slightly. Alright, so last 5 minutes of the 4-hour candle. That's where, you know, price starts shaking and grooving. Just a little. How's this 4-hour gonna close? That's gonna close above 4007. Looks that way, 60 pip drop in 3 minutes. Could do. Gold could do. Two minutes to go. Be nice to us, Goldie. Well, a bit more of a drop. Bit more. Right below this range, and then if we close below this area here, then the next 30-minute might give us a lower high to come back down. Now, it's not a strong trend line, but it's still enough. It's still a lower high if we do close below 4012.7 ish. Wicked up perfectly into that area. All right, gold. All right now. All right now. And push back up at the last minute. Another reason why I'm thinking maybe gold buys was like this drop from this area on the DXY, which really held from yesterday. So I waited till after news to see what gold was gonna do. Closed right in the range. Oh my gosh. And immediately opened and pushed up. Immediately. If it weren't for news, we could have been grabbed buys. Yeah, I know. Damn, Goldie. But I don't like that because we don't have much of a bottom wick on this 4 hour. I don't like that. I think it's got to come back down. Shoot, if it wants to. If it wants to. Damn, our gold is pushing. Jeez. I gotta watch it on my broker. Trading View's a bit slow. Alright, gold, damn. Gold took off, didn't it? Gold took off. I wanted to come back for this bottom wick at least though, because I wanted, if I was going to get the buys, I wanted a retest of the broken resistance and then a push. Like come back, retest, and then go up. But shoot, the way it's going, it's like it don't want to stop. You don't want to stop, gold? $40.26, $40.27, $40.28. Jeez, probably $40.40 soon. Then retracing some of yesterday's daily candle. Yeah, yesterday's got a real big daily candle, right? With no dropping back. God damn. Oh my god, whose music is that? Jeez, gold is moving. Damn. Looking at Nas buys. Nas pushing. Okay. Nas, I did like Nas buys earlier. I think gold is going to give me the move today, to be honest. Look at this push, man, with no bottom wick. Man, once this 4 hour held right here and it flipped bullish, yeah, gold was looking good to push. But geez, I didn't realize it was going to push like this. What a push, what a move. Oh, barely a 4-hour bottom wick though. Come on, gold. Barely a bottom wick on this 4-hour. Oh no, I do like once Nas was looking quite bullish, is looking quite bullish to be fair. Look, 4 hours breaking highs, daily already broke yesterday's high. So yeah, I did like Nas buys. Wanted to wait until after news before anything, to be fair. You're gonna take sells at 40. What is that? 40.22. It's past 40.22. It's gonna pull down some close to 0.7. What is that level? What price is that 0.0 level? What's the price that you're talking about? What is 0.0 level price? You talk about Nas or gold? Talk about Nas? Since you're looking for Nas buys? Alright, Goldie, a little bit of a retracement. There we go, finally. I really want this bottom wick though, man. This is a tiny nothing of a bottom wick. Give me a bottom wick, man. Come on. Give me a bottom wick. At 40.42. Okay, that makes more sense. That makes more sense. What's that? 40.42. Okay. Cool. 299.60 is the 0.0. Okay, so you want it to come down first and then go up? Okay. Down to 29722 at least. Okay, cool. Goldie run out of steam? Ain't no way. I'm not really a fan of when these candles open and go straight up though without going down first. I like a little bit of a, you know, take its time. We've just pushed. How many pips have we just pushed? Like as soon as the candle opened, 220 pips. Like in the first 7 minutes of this candle. It's a big move. It's a big move. Boom, boom, boom. Very big move. Shoot. Opened and popped. Right, DXY, you going back up? What's good? What's good? What you talking? What you talking? $33. This new 15-minute candle gonna open? Well, we definitely cleared these Asian highs, didn't we? Definitely cleared those Asian highs, boy. Although this will be the first candle closing above. Now, if this candle closes above, we can keep pushing. But if we, sell back down into the Asian range, then this will be a fake out. And it would be a fake out. Why? Where you going? You going back up? Wait for my fan to get here too. Can't come soon enough. Sitting there sweating. I might just spectate today. I want to see how gold daily reacts after rejecting on the weekly support. Okay. Don't just say that now and then post a banger trade in the Discord. Don't say that. How's everyone doing in respect to discipline this week? That's a good question. Anything can happen though, but I kind of want to initiate a withdrawal and be done with the week. No, I hear it. No, I hear it. So once you do a withdrawal, are you not able to take trades until it's done, or you just want to just take the money out and then like start again next week? Price action has been good so far. Price action hasn't been bad this week. It hasn't actually been bad this week. Like yesterday was very good. Tuesday, I don't really remember Tuesday much. Tuesday was a bit slow, I think. Anything Monday was slow. I think Tuesday was decent. Yeah, it's not been a bad week. Not been bad. You can still trade. I can still trade after, but I would probably take out money, and if tomorrow shows something, I'll put on a smaller lot just to help build capital for next week. Got you, got you. Okay, okay. So do you always start like with a small account and like build it and grow it? Got small. I think starting an account around 1300 is where I like to start. Okay, cool, cool. And then just work the account, work it, work it, work it. I hear it. I try to withdraw at the end of the month, like wages. All right, Benny, that's a good one. That's a good one. If I'm building an account from 308 on purpose. Shit. Okay, okay. I hear it, I hear it. I hear it. Yo, gold does not want to pull back, does it? Struggling to stay in the 40-30s. I get paid weekly. Plus, I see something building on H1 RSI and H4, so I don't want to trade until that's clearer. Or what do you see? Like, what do you see? More buys or sells? Because I remember you talking about that daily divergence yesterday. Oh yeah, okay, okay. Okay, okay, okay. This is itchy. Right, so I wanted to see if gold was, yeah, we're just gonna get like a clear closure above these Asian highs. Do you know what I mean? I do want a longer 4-hour bottom wick though, man. This bottom wick is nothing. It's nothing. It's a very sad 4-hour bottom wick. Do you know what I'm saying? I want a longer one and then gold can continue, whatever. Yeah, it's present a bit on the daily. But for H1 and H4 coming out of this weekly area, I want to see how it shapes out. Alright, cool. Let's see, Nas is still pulling back. The XY is coming back down. The confusion in the markets. And if daily doesn't push up enough, you know what pattern it will make. A little daily continuation. Is that what you talking? Ah, yes. Oh, yes. That's true. That's true. That's if it doesn't close bearish. That's if it doesn't flip bearish again. We're not even that far from the daily flip, to be honest. Oh, there we go. We're coming back for this bottom wick, finally. Finally, give me some bottom wick. Come on. I mean, if this candle closes back in the Asian range below 40.18, 40.19, like I said, we could be getting a little fake out, and then sells back down. That's kind of my idea. But any push up I wanted was just a bit of a retracement to then get into more sells, because gold is quite bearish right now, man. Gold is quite bearish. Selling, man. We selling. Might go get some water, actually. Get some water. I've been going through these water bottles like it's nothing. If the M15 engulfs, gold is gone. M15 engulfing, you say? Who's this at my door? Oh, wicked. The daily time transition bearish yesterday with that candle closure. Yes, it did. Yes, it definitely did. Yes, it did. It made a new low. It made a lower low. So gold is definitely bearish, guys. We made a low, a higher low. Well, since it made this lower low, this is now the new lower high. So definitely bearish on gold. Okay, so the M15 didn't want to come down that low. Alright. Is it gonna flip? Did it retest? It nearly retested the Asian highs. Didn't quite get there. Came close. Came very close, but didn't quite get there. So let's see if this M15 flips and pushes now. Is it gonna drive? Made a very decent bottom wick here. Very decent bottom wick. Back into the 40-30s. I really wanted it to get this 4-hour bottom wick before it pushes up, you know. Good. Still a lot of time left. 8 minutes. And we got market open. Damn, look at this. Still talking about this straight upper moves. Trump is a mess. Trump is a whole mess. US personal income outlays. We saw that earlier. Maybe a 15-minute continuation pattern, potentially. Potentially. Ali, how's your trade doing? Came right back to your entry. Like these these positions are very big, all the way down to the 1.618. Wait, so 40 20 40 29. So from 40 29 it got as low as nearly 700 pips. I hope you close partials, because letting a trade run back on you this much is mad, I ain't gonna lie. I think he said he's been holding since yesterday anyway. Since yesterday, I want to say he said he got in, maybe. Got to close some? Yeah, got to close some, man. Got to. Price doesn't want to tag me in. I don't think it does it? Don't think it does. You never know. Wait for market open. Might get a bit of a push for market open. That's mad. Alright, Goldie. I don't know if it engulfs Benny, but this is a pretty strong 15-minute candle to come back down. For reals. Pretty strong drop back. Oh, if it closes back in the Asian range though. Ooh-wee. It's got to close below 4,019. That's where I need to see it close. That is quite a pullback though. 140 pips. Oh god, the games you play. The games you play. Boldy. Ouch. That stretch hurt. That stretch hurt. What do you reckon, guys? Is it going to close below Asian range? Close just above? What do you reckon? Is it going to come back for this 4-hour bottom wick before it goes up? What do you guys think? Y'all think? 1 minute to go. 1 minute to go. Dropping though, it's really dropping. Not gold dropping like this. Was that a fake out? Was it a fake out? Are you being fake, gold? You being fake? Nah, it's not gonna close back in a range. 40 seconds, anything can happen. Where's the actual Asian highs? 4,018.8 to be precise. All right, 30 seconds. 30 seconds. Let's do this. Could just be the retest. It could just give a retest and then push back up. Nah, it's not gonna close below. Just about a retest. All right, gold. All right, all right. For this 30-minute candle top wick. All right, we pushing up. I'm gonna keep going. Oh. Oh, damn. Market open, took off. Oh, shoot. My broker doesn't have a bottom wick. My broker has no bottom wick, guys. No bottom wick. No bottom wick on this candle, the market open candle. Oh, nice. Damn. Driving down? We driving down? Just tap Asian highs. Tap it and then you can do what you want. I think it did there. I think it literally just tapped it. I think it literally just tapped it. I just want to look. I do want a longer bottom wick on the 4-hour though. I can't lie. I don't like buys without it. I do not like buys without it. Because I always be thinking price is gonna come back and create that longer wick. I mean, look at these previous 4-hour bottom wicks. Look at these previous 4-hour wicks in general. Do you know what I mean? They've all got decent wicks. This barely has one. It's there, but it's very small. So just come down, wick down, and then you can do what you want. Oh, are we gonna drive back in the range? Are we driving? Are we driving? That looks like a fake out. Close right back in the range here. Like DXY just came back to test nearly Asian lows. DXY is playing games as well. Yo. Price came up for 5 minutes. Price came for 5 minutes FVG to push up. Alright, let's see. I'm still bearish on gold though, that's the thing. So if it does push up, I'm not expecting it to push up much, just retrace a bit of yesterday. I don't really expect a huge move because yesterday's daily candle was $155. $155, so you know, half of that is at least 75, 70, $77, which is 40.37. Not saying it's going to do a 50% retracement, but it should retrace some of that daily candle. It kind of has already, but it's not really much, is it? In fact, I just use the retracement tool. I'm just looking at the daily. So it's, yeah, it's nearly retraced 50%. Nearly 50%, pretty much, you know. All right, so we're back below Asian highs. Let's see if we break this previous 30-minute low. If we do, then I think we go down some more, you know. I think we go down some more. We break that previous 30-minute low. Oh. Still though, we've got 25 minutes left of this candle. It's a long time. It's a very long time. We're close. We're close. We're close. Man, fake out. Was that a fake out? This closure above, it's gonna close right back in. Gold, what are you telling me? Oh, that came close. Oh shit, let me see the 4 hour, because I want a longer 4 hour bottom wick. That's really my main thing. So ideally come back retest 4006, and then it can if it wants to come back up, re-break this high, then that's fine. Is that it? That came so close. It came so close. And then said, nope. So close. Wow. Flip bullish again. Flip bullish again. Man, that came so close. Alright, are we just gonna push? Are we just gonna push from here? Are we just gonna push from here? Is that what we're doing? Alright, alright. I might just be chilling on gold today, you know? I might just be chilling on gold today, for real. I don't know where gold wants to go. I'm very close to doing things like Goldie. Damn. Okay, Nas is tanking. Well, it's not tanking, but I wanted Nas buys, but Nas don't look like it wants to buy just yet. If Nas retests this support, or if this support holds, I can see Nas pushing up. But if it doesn't, like it's playing this Asian range. Wait, was that? Gold is 100% playing, girl. Gold is playing. Like, gold is playing, and I'm cool. If gold wants to play, I don't mind not trading gold today. I'll let gold be. Price should push to 4,065. A game of probability. 4,065. That's it, it's probability. Just swinging up and down, that's what gold's doing. Just swinging. This is itchy. No fib levels. I have not applied a fib on gold today. If I'm just looking at a daily drop, this move down, I guess, to the lows. Then we've retested the 50. Retested the 50. We closed just below the 38, I guess. So that's one. If I move the move up a little bit more, doesn't really look as hot. So maybe just today's drive down, I guess. If I'm looking at a daily drop, then yeah, I guess we've hit the 50. Not bad. Ash, what do you think? Yeah, it hit the 50, but it depends. It might fall a bit, but I'll need to look and see. I I would need to see how the lower time frames look. I close my charts but watch it from YouTube. Dunzo, for real, for real. Yeah, gold is playing. I understand where you're coming from, yo. Understandable, yo. Understand. Yo, look at this. Look at this. Oh my god. I wanted Nas buys, but I don't know if I would Nas buys now. It slapped through the levels I wanted buys from. Damn. Damn. Wow. Okay. Okay, Nas. I mean, if Nas is dropping like that, I'm expecting gold to do the down thing too. Yeah, it did, Sky, man. Damn. All right, gold, to follow suit. I hope you ain't in that. I hope you ain't in that. Jeez. Oh, look. All right, so now the 30 minutes broken that previous low. There we go, Goldie. It's broken the low. If we close back in this Asian range, oh yeah. Oh yeah, we out of here, baby. Oh, so it broke the low and came back up. Is that it? We just made a slightly longer bottom wick. That's it? That's all you got for me? Nah, you ain't done, gold. Come on, back down to, give me at least a retest. At least a retest. All right, gold. Damn, who wanted sells? Where are you? You are... Is it... Moen? Moen wanted some sells, but it never hit. It didn't hit their level. What was that? What was that level? What was that? It was 4,042, I believe. What was there? Why you wanted sells from there? All right, back to the daily flip. Back to the daily flip. Nearly back to the daily flip. Wanted it to sweep some high on the left. Okay. I mean, it came close. It came close. 100 pips. Close-ish. Oh, is that it? I mean, it didn't exactly retest, but it came very close. Now, if gold wants to continue up from here, you have my permission now, gold. Because this is playing now. I just wanted a bit of a longer 4-hour bottom wick, one that I could actually see. It's done that, you know what I mean? It didn't exactly retest the broken support, I mean resistance, but I don't know, man. Am I asking for too much at this point? Ooh, now the 15 did close back in this Asian range. Yeah, this isn't the nicest price action today. Whew. That's why I don't want to trade it. The price action isn't clear. Yeah, it's not. It's not. No, gold don't want to let us eat every day. They don't want to let us eat every day. That's all good. It's all good. Let us eat every day, gold. I'm gonna keep an eye on this 30-minute. I want to see how this 30-minute closes. If this 30-minute engulfs, I think we get more sells. If it doesn't, then I think we get more of a retracement up. That's kind of what I'm keeping my eye on, like how it's playing this Asian range. Because if we close back inside the Asian range, then that closure above was just a fake out, and then I'll be looking at more sells. But damn, Nas is just falling out of the sky. Price didn't sweep yesterday's NY high. That's what I'm waiting for. Okay. Okay. Let's see if it sweeps yesterday's NY high. And we're back down. I'm glad this is happening towards the end of the candle. Oh shoot, wait, and this is the last 10 minutes. Or the last, okay. Within that last 10 minutes of the IC markets 4-hour candle. This is where we see some movement. But it doesn't look great, it just looks bullish. Let's see what this one does. It's at the 61.8 level. What Nas? What does that mean now? Oh, to look for some buyers there? I don't know, man. I don't like Nas buyers when it's dropping like this. It normally has like big days, like big bearish moves if it does. Discount. Okay, to buy up. All right. Good luck, girl. Good luck. Yo, if it does buy, I hope it buys all the way back up. Yo, I hope it buys all the way back up. Because that is a crazy drop. Gold to give me something low. Like, close back in this range for me in the next 5 minutes. That would be beautiful. This daily flip's bearish. Going back down, was that it? It was just making a longer top wick. Is that what you was doing, gold? Is that what you were doing? Norman, hey, you right? You good? How are you this afternoon? This fine afternoon? Goldie. All right, are we flipping bearish again? We going down? Yeah, buy gold. See you later. Back in this Asian range. How far down is it gonna go though? I'm good. What about you? I am great, Norman. I'm very great. I'm good. Very good. Waiting on these gold sells. I think the next candle might just give us a drive down. Mad closure back in the range. 4 minutes left though. It's a lot of time, you know. It's a lot of time. A lot of time left. But I like it. I like it. I like it. Gold, do you like it for me, gold? Do you? What are you telling me, gold? Oof. Oof. Candle did not play out how I was anticipating. I'm not gonna lie, didn't expect it to break the high, and if it was gonna sell, I didn't want it to break that 4 hour high. So that's why the price action for me is a bit off, but it immediately opened, pushed up, broke the high. So now we could actually get some big sells from here. We could get some big sells from here. See how this candle closes. What, 2 minutes left? Get rid of this. Oh man. Well, that could just be a longer 4 hour bottom wick. So then go up and go crazy. You telling me, gold? What did this guy clip? Me watching price go without me? Hey, it's like that, man. It's like that sometimes. Why won't it let me open it? It's like that. don't know if price wants to drop back out the 4,000s. It's holding above here, ain't it? Check Nas. Yeah, Nas is. Yeah, when Nas dumps, it dunks, man. Nas is fucking dumping out of the sky. Oh my god. Nas. Gold closed back in this range. No bottom wick. Oh, it's about to drive, yo. What's making Nas drop like this though? That doesn't feel normal. That feels like something. That feels like something right there. I'm gonna find it though. I'm gonna find it. I'll make you a top wick and then drive down back through this range. But yeah, this price action is wild today. I can't lie. It's not the best price action today. Not the best. Alright, what are we doing? Retest the daily flip. Retest, flip bearish again, come down. Like, I really like this closure back in the range, but I don't have a stop loss. So that's like, if you're thinking, oh, we wanted it to close back in the range for sales, I did, but I literally don't have a decent stop loss. I don't want to use the 15-minute. I like to use the previous 30-minute, but it's just too big. Ooh, 270 pips, 280 pips. Nah, bro, I can't do it. I can't do it. I can't do it. It's too much. Oh, continuation pattern on DXY. What are you talking about? What you talking? DXY looks like it still wants to drop, man. Damn. But that gold drop too, I don't like it. I don't like it. I'm not even gonna use those two as a, what do you call it? I'm not even gonna use them two together. They're just doing their own thing at the moment. But guys, yeah, I think I'm gonna leave it here, man, because I don't think I'm gonna get a trade. I'm not gonna get a trade on this candle. It's just pushed down too much. If it just closed back in the range like here, nothing too crazy, I could probably get in on the break of this low to then drive down like through the range. But this is a big drive down, so like stop loss wise, I don't have anywhere decent. I don't have anywhere decent for a stop loss, so that's all good. I'm gonna just leave it there, and then we come back tomorrow. We go again tomorrow. I think we have a nice quiet news day. Yep. Oh, revised consumer sentiment. Yep, that's light. Alcohol's pushing up. Yeah, that's light news tomorrow. So yeah, nothing crazy. But yeah, guys, appreciate you for joining, and yeah, just be careful out here, man, because these markets are going crazy. Look at this. Now we're pushing back up. Like, we close back. Yeah, I don't feel in this price action at all. At all. So yeah, guys, have a great one. Be safe out here, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Damn, look at gold push. What's good? I was pushing, wasn't it? Alright, guys, peace out. Tomorrow. Later. I might have a trade. Yeah, man. If it pushes up to your level, I hope you get that, man. I hope you get that. Good luck. Peace.